Hi everyone, in this video, I will show you how to export your data from Notion. So first, log in or sign into your account on Notion. After you log in or sign in, you will be directed here. As you can see here, I have a note. In order to make a new note, simply click on this create new page. And here you go. Let's name it test 2. After that, you can add an icon or add a cover, like that. You can also add a comment. Now, in order to export it, simply click on these three dots on the upper right rather. And here, you can see at the bottom, export. Simply click on it. You can see here export format, Markdown and CSV, PDF, HTML. Next is the include database, current view or default view. Include content, everything or no files or image. You can check this if you want and simply click on export and that's it.